Today's power word for your resume is competent.
What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more.
Hi there, welcome to TELW the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Competent means a person has a skill arising out of training combined with the ability arising out of experience. So, if you're competent, you have the skill, but not the other way around. In other words, if you have the skill, it doesn't necessarily mean you are competent.
If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says.
Competent is a mere describing word, an adjective. You say you are competent and the recruiter will say, "Good for you, but what's in it for me? Why should I hire you?" So you need to back up your claim with your achievements. See, what you wish to say is, you have not just the necessary knowledge, but the experience as well. You have faced such situations in the past and have successfully handled them. You're as good as they come. Your competence will surely help the company save on costs or increase its benefits. But how can you say all these things? By using action words. What are the action words that you can use for competent? You can say what you did: assembled, constructed, created, led, like leading a team. And then what you do? Write about anything that you created or assembled or a team that you led that generated benefits for the company. This is normally your regular hard skill area. Then say what you did and what the effect of your action was. Give the rupee value of the benefit if possible, but be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at how this could appear on your resume. Created a process flowchart and formed and led a team of 12 members over 4 years, showing a constant year-on-year increase in turnover of 15 to 18%. Note the use of figures. 12 members, 15 to 18% increase. And the specific information, what you did? Process flowchart. You created the process flowchart. And was the nature of benefit? Constant increase in turnover. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.